Today's topic for discussion is distinguishing features of bacteria. Bacteria, these are unicellular prokaryotic organisms. Why these are called as prokaryotic? Because the cell organelles are absent, nucleus is not well developed, nuclear material is openly present. Such type of cell is described as prokaryotic. And the bacterial cell is a prokaryotic cell. It is unicellular. Uni means one cell structure. And it is ultra microscopic organism. That means it requires electron microscope to see the details of the cell. Okay. And the cell wall of bacterium is rigid. Rigid means solid, non-movable. Okay. It is rigid. It has a rigid cell wall. Okay. And there are several types of bacteria. There are several bacterial strains which are parasites. Parasitic strains means those bacteria which causes human diseases, animal diseases as well as plant diseases. Those bacteria are described as parasitic bacteria. Some forms of bacteria, they are saprophytes. They are saprophytic in nature. Saprophytes means the bacteria that can grow on dead organic matter of plant or dead animal bodies or dead human bodies or any type of dead organic matter on which the bacterium grow. Those bacteria are described as saprophytic bacteria or saprophytes. And the bacteria obtain food in soluble form. Okay, next. In bacterial cell, chlorophyll is absent. When the chlorophyll is absent, then there is no photosynthesis. But in few species of bacteria, photosynthetic bacteriochlorophyll occurs. Okay. And flagella is present. Flagella, it is a long thread-like structure which helps in movement of the bacterial cell. Such a flagella, such a hair-like structure which is long, it is termed as flagella, and that flagella, when it occurs in the bacterium, that bacterium is described as motile bacterium or motile bacteria. Okay. If flagella is absent in bacteria, then it is described as non-motile bacteria. Okay. The bacterial cells reproduce by simple binary fission. Bi means two. Means simply the cell gradually divides into two cells. This is a binary fission. It is not a mitotic division because it is binary fission. One cell divides into two. The two cells which are formed, it may be equal in size and shape or unequal in size and shape, but each may having a small fragment of DNA that can grow, that can act as a daughter cell. This is binary fission. And another type of reproduction occurs in bacteria, that is in certain bacteria, that is budding. That means a wall of the bacterium that produces small protuberances, and that protuberance gradually increase in size and it appears like a bud. It looks like a bud, and the bud gradually detach from the parental cell and grow into a new bacterial cell. This is also a reproduction by budding method. Reproduction of bacteria by budding method. And the bacterial cells also reproduce by sexual reproduction. And sexual reproduction in bacteria takes place by conjugation method. Conjugation, fusion. Conjugation means fusion of positive and negative strain bacterium takes place during sexual reproduction. Next, these are the characteristic distinguishing features of bacteria. Thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.